G'day everyone, it's James from James G Adventures, and I'm currently in the beautiful state of Tasmania, visiting Tasmania for the very first time. At the moment I'm currently not far off Richmond in Tasmania, so in between Richmond and Bridge Water. Today there is a freight train running, which I didn't know about, but it is just a very lucky coincidence that a freight train's running today, the day I'm out here, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, this video will be just basically featuring that freight train, and also in addition, tomorrow I'm heading to the Railway Museum at New Norfolk in Tasmania as well. I'm going to be checking out that, having a look around for you guys, and I'll just get whatever else I can while I'm here in Tasmania. Do hope you sit back and enjoy the video, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it all, and thanks for watching. Anyway guys, currently in the town of New Norfolk. Yeah, beautiful view up here. Just wanted to show you guys what the view looks like. So yeah, basically tomorrow morning I'm going to be heading to the Railway Museum here and having a look around, see what's there. And yeah, the next couple of days I'll just keep a good eye out for some trains and stuff. I'm gonna get some freight trains, never know my luck. I just got lucky today purely, so that's always good. But yeah, hopefully I'll get some more action. Yeah, just something different for you guys instead of the usual kind of New South Wales stuff. Anyway guys, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow at the Railway Museum. So we're just currently at the Railway Museum at New Norfolk. Just having a little look around, just in pictures because I didn't get any video footage, but the guy gave me a nice guided tour around the yards and everything at the Railway Museum, some older locomotives, and they're doing a bit of work at the moment to restore the railway out to the national park out at Mountfield National Park. So it's pretty awesome. It's got some photos here of the locomotives they've got. They're not using that blue one at the moment. It's just a shunter. Yeah, got some nice locomotives, and they're doing up some of these locomotives as well. They'll be doing up that steam train there that's pictured currently. Got another steam train there, and a few more diesels. It's an old Tasrail locomotive that they can use. And there's some interior of some of the carriages that they currently own. That there is the old communication system that they used to use. Anyway, I do hope to see them up and running shortly, but yeah, it is quite nice to check out. G'day everyone, now we are at Glenorchy at the Tasmanian Railway Museum up here. Today they're running train rides between Glenorchy and up the road a bit and back, so about a 20-minute shuttle trips up the line and back. So I'm just going to film some of those today and maybe have a look inside the museum as well while we're here. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. That's the view looking towards the museum at the moment. There's one just about to depart, and then that will be looking in the direction it's going to be travelling in. So yeah, anyway guys, I will see you shortly when the train departs. We're now at Launceston Tramway Musuem, tram approaching. Hope you enjoy a few scenes from here. Thank you. Anyway guys, now at the Launceston Tramway Musuem. I know it's not trains, but still something railway related of such, so thought I would include it in the Tasmania video. Hope you've been enjoying it so far. Been a bit of variety. Obviously had the steam train a couple of days ago out at Hobart at the Tasmanian Railway Museum. Now we're just at the Tramway Museum. I'm going to head in and check it out, have a look around for a little bit, and maybe go on a quick trip as well. We'll see how we go. Anyway, guys, I'll see you inside. Thank you. Anyway, guys, just going to show you some pictures now of the both the Tramway Museum inside and also the railway exhibit at the Queen Museum in Launceston. It's got these lovely trams. That's the one I actually went on. And yeah, some inside the museum as well. That's the one I was travelling on, which I'll show you videos of after this. Now we're moving on to some of the stuff around the museum, which is some old carriages, old building there, and also there was a old turntable and stuff as well, which is just right now showing on the screen. And this is inside the museum at the railway exhibit, so this is pretty cool as well. Got, old steam train, a few little other things, old carriages and stuff, and old diesel locomotive. That is one of the interiors of the old diesel locomotive. And that's about it for the museum. Let's enjoy a ride aboard the tram now.
We're around about 10 k's out that way, quite the old railway.
I just want to finish off the video. I have one more must-see attraction. This is the Gorge Scenic Chairlift in Launceston. definitely worth a visit if you're in the area. Beautiful views and also lovely walking tracks and stuff around there. And if you do go to the other side on the chairlift, you got some wildlife and stuff over that way. Definitely worth the visit. Just to finish off the video for you guys. Anyway guys, that'll be a wrap for the video. Hope you all enjoyed it and hope you enjoyed something different, a little trip to Tasmania. Thank you all for watching.